Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome to this Soothe Sunday. I'm Jenice from AJ's EO Infusions, and today I'm giving you a quick preview of something game-changing. 3 instant essential oil wins that you can implement today for immediate results in your self-care routine. These aren't complicated recipes. They're simple treasures that take seconds to apply but can shift your entire day. Let me ask you something. When was the last time your self-care actually felt meaningful? Not just checking a box, but truly connecting with yourself. Most commercial products promise results, but miss the most important piece, the ritual that transforms routine into revelation. Today, I'm sharing 3 quick essential oil applications that deliver instant benefits while hinting at a much deeper practice we'll explore in this week's podcast. The first quick win is what I call the morning clarity point. This simple technique takes just 15 seconds but can center your mind for hours. Take a citrus-based roller blend. I'm using our sweet orange and bergamot, and apply a small amount to your temples and the back of your neck. Before checking your phone in the morning, the key is to apply it mindfully. 3 deep breaths as you inhale directly from the roller, then gentle application while setting an intention for your day. The citrus oils work directly with your limbic system to promote alertness, while the brief moment of presence sets a foundation for your mind. My clients report feeling 40% more focused after just this simple practice. Quick win number 2 is the tension release touch. Perfect for those midday moments when stress accumulates in your shoulders and jaw. Take a peppermint-infused balm or butter like this one, and using your middle finger, apply gentle pressure in small circles at the base of your skull and along your jawline. The cooling sensation of peppermint creates an immediate physical response, interrupting the tension cycle, while the intentional touch brings awareness to areas where you unconsciously hold stress. This takes less than 30 seconds, but can completely reset your nervous system in the middle of a hectic day. Our final quick win is the calm connection ritual, the perfect 60-second transition between your busy day and restful evening. Using a lavender-based blend, apply to your wrists and the sides of your neck. Then, and this is crucial, place your hands over your heart, close your eyes, and take 5 deep breaths. The lavender works synergistically with your parasympathetic nervous system to signal safety and rest, while the hand-to-heart gesture creates an embodied connection that helps release the day's tensions. My clients call this their instant decompression technique, the perfect bridge between work mode and home presence. These 3 quick wins give you an immediate taste of what's possible, but they're just the beginning of what essential oil living can offer. Take our best-selling lip butter scrub, for example. On the surface, it's a beautiful lip treatment, but incorporated into full essential oil practice, it becomes part of a transformative approach to self-care. In this week's podcast episode, Handcrafted Essential Oil Treasures, the missing piece in your self-care ritual, I'll be diving much deeper into how these handcrafted treasures can transform your entire relationship with wellness. Start with these 3 quick wins today. Then join me for Wellness Wednesday for the full podcast, where we'll explore how to build a complete essential oil practice that addresses everything from emotional well-being to physical nourishment. And if you're ready to experience the difference handcrafted treasures can make, grab our lip butter scrub at ajseoinfusions.com, the perfect introduction to intentional oil-infused self-care. Hit subscribe and that notification bell so you never miss a Wellness Wednesday video. And leave a comment telling me which quick win you're trying first. Until Wednesday's podcast, this is Jenice Story reminding you that true transformation starts with the smallest, most intentional moments.